Today we are going to write the program for sorting the array using merge sort algorithm. But before started programming, let's have a quick notes about merge sort algorithm. Merge sort algorithm adopts the divide and conquer algorithm paradigm to sort elements within the list efficiency. The algorithm was developed in 1945 by John Von Neumann. The worst-case time complexity is O(n) log n, and it is generally faster on a larger datasets. That is because the merge sort takes a reduced amount of steps to sort a list. But how does it work? Generally speaking, the merge sort algorithm works in the following way. First, we have an unsorted list. Split the unsorted list into n sublists. Next, compare each of the elements and sort them. Now, let's explore this example in details. We have the list with 5 elements. It's 21, 2, 45, 30 and 10. And we need to sort it. As a first step, let's find the middle element, which would be 45. And now let's divide the list into two separate lists, left and right. And we need to stop dividing once each list contains only one element. So there are two main operations which helps us to do the merge sort. First is divide and next is merge. As the previous example, we did the divide operations. So now let's write the code for it and start from the defining the function merge sort. There would be one argument, list1, now we need to find the middle element, as in example that we discussed previously. And then let's define the left list and right list. So left list would be everything till the middle element. And right list, everything after the middle element. We'll do the same, find the middle element and divide the list into two sublists, left and right. And as the operation is the same as the previous one, we should use the recursive call. So we're gonna call merge sort again for the left list and for the right list. Because of the function is calling itself, we already have the recursive case, so we need to write the condition when function will no longer be calling. So basically that is the stop case. We need it because if I will not write it, the function would not know where to stop. On the step 3, we're gonna have two lists. Left list would be 2 and 21, and the right list would be 10, 30 and 45. On the first step, we're gonna have E equals 0 and G equals 0 and K equals 0. So that is the loop which will help us to go through the elements. Let's see what do we have. Step 1, I equals 0, j equals 0, k equals 0. We compare the element from the left list to the element from the right list. So we compare left list element with index 0 because I equals 0 to the element from the right list with the index 0. So is 2 less than 10? Yes. Then we need to write 2 into the list 1 with the index 0. In the next step, we will increase the I to the 1 and k to the 1. And we're gonna compare the 21 to the 10. So is 21 less than 10? No. Then we write the 10 into the list 1 with index k, which is 1. Step 3. I equal 1, j equal 1 and k equal 2. So if is 21 less than 30? Yes. Then we write 21 to the list 1 in the index 2. And we can go to the next step. I equal 2, j equal 1 and k equal 3. As we see, the index y is equal to, and that means that all of the elements are sorted and we don't have anymore the element on the left list. But there is a problem that there are two elements that left in the right list. It is 30 and 45. We need to sort those elements also. That is why we're gonna write one more loop, which would be while. Actually, not one loop, but there can be situation when the left list have also few elements that are unsorted. So we're gonna write two while loops. First one is to loop through the left list, and the next one to loop through the right list. While I less than length of left list. List 1, k equal left list I. And we need to increase I and k. To go through the right list, while j less than length right list, list 1, k equal, and here would be the same but right list and j. Also we need to increase the j and k. and it looks finished, but let's print the result here and run the function. Here is our list. Let's try to run it. And here is the result. Unsorted list was like this, and here is the list that is sorted. So our program is running correctly, and we sorted the list using merge sort algorithm. Thank you for the attention, and see you in the next videos.